Morning everybody, happy Thursday. I took the day off. Every time I vlog I'm like, I took the day off. You guys are gonna think I take like days off all the time. I really don't, okay? It has been once a month though. I don't know if that's good or bad. Anyway, I made myself a nice hot cup of coffee, as you guys saw. And I'm sitting here, I have Graham on my table and Gambino right next to me. He wants to go outside. So I took the day off. I had been planning on taking a day off this week because, no, Graham, stop. No. I took my scrunchie off of my wrist because I thought it looked ugly. And now, come on, man. Anyway, I wanted to take a day off this week because I have just been like so busy with school and stuff, and I kind of just also needed a mental health day. And yesterday, guys, was the worst day I've had at work in a long time. I don't know if you guys remember, I did like a get ready with me last year. Sorry, Graham, I thought was gonna jump back up. I did a get ready with me last year, like basically telling you guys everything that had been going on with a coworker, whatever. And I took that video down because I put it on private because I was kind of nervous they would see it. So anyway, yesterday was really bad, and it's just like, I don't know why people talk the way they do and everything. Like, just calm the F down, okay? And speak like you're a regular person, you know? And like everything is just always a problem. Like, if I do something, it's a problem, and then if I don't do something, it's a freaking problem. And I'm like, I can't deal with it anymore, honestly. So yesterday I literally cried at work for the first time. I have never cried at work. I will say there was like a point in time at work. How many times am I gonna say at work? There was a point in time where we had, and it's actually very sad, we had 3 coworkers pass away. 2 of them were retired, but 1 of them wasn't. We had 3 coworkers pass away within a span of 3 months. Like, it was rough 3 months for my department. So yeah, I cried about that, but like about me, like something happening to me and me being frustrated or whatever. So I cried. Of course, my office is like a revolving door, so I was like, I gotta get my act together. So I had my little napkin, I was pressing in my makeup, and people knew it. Like, I don't know if it's just because I'm super white, and when I cry, like, you know that I was crying, and it doesn't go away. Like, I will be all red and puffy all day. So that was right in the morning, and that's what pissed me off. This person came in the first thing in the morning, came straight to my office and like talked bullshit, and I talked right back. I was so pissed, and that person knew I was pissed too, and they just walked out. But I'm like, why do I have to feel this way, man? Like, leave it. Like, why? Like, ugh. This person has to know everything, has to be involved in everything, and literally, it's not my boss, okay? I cannot do anything without it being a problem. And if I don't do it, it's a problem. And then that person will make me do things just because that person doesn't want to do it. And it's like, where do you draw the line? You know, like, you don't want me to do the important things, but the bullshit things I have to do? No, F that. We're the same. Like, no, you're not my boss. So anyway, that's all I'm gonna say. I had a really rough day. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna take Thursday off. Fuck it. I'm calling in sick. It's just so stressful, honestly, and I just need to grow a pair and say, like, stop it. Like, stop talking to me like that. Like, what is your problem? Why do you have to talk to me like that? Whew. Anyway, I don't want this video to be another rant. And I also wanted to say thank you to everybody who totally had my back in my last video. You guys are amazing. Totally made me feel like a normal person, okay? Because that shit, my God, I'm cursing so much. That so pissed me off. It's like, I'm talking about, if you didn't see that last vlog, I was like, when people ask me, like, why do you do your videos? And they ask it like that, like, why do you do them? And I'm like, because I want to. Actually, it's really funny, and then I'll shut up because I haven't even told you what I'm gonna do today. It's really funny because there was a girl on Instagram, and she wears like a wrap on her head, and people ask her, like, why do you wrap your hair up like that? And she was like, hey, so then she got on her story and was like, hey, you know, I had a lot of people ask me why I wear this, and she was like, I wear this, number 1, because I like it. And number 2, it's because I haven't dyed my hair. So I thought that was really funny, and I like that the first thing she said was, I like it. Why can't I wear my hair like this? You know what I mean? So that's kind of how I'm gonna go about it. I'm gonna say I love it. I've been doing my videos since I was in college, and I love doing it, and I haven't stopped since. So I had a couple breaks every here and there, every now and then, whatever, but I haven't stopped since. So So yeah, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for making me feel so good. Literally, your comments like just make me keep wanting to do my videos. So you guys don't even know, and I know a lot of YouTubers say this, you guys don't even know what your comments do to people like me. They really do. Like, they could totally like switch my mood in an instant, you know? You guys really have, I don't know, it just makes us feel really good. It also, if you have trolls, it can make you feel really bad, but the people that really support and are like your real friends, you know, like through the internet, it makes us feel great. So you guys, thank you, honestly, from the bottom of my heart. You guys mean the world to me. So, and I just feel good having like a team behind me, you know, like helping me, supporting me. So thank you guys so much. So anyway, today I'm gonna be filming makeup videos. Like right now I'm a little bit behind. We had the it's 11 o'clock. I had the pest control guy come. He comes like every 2-3 months. We don't have pests, but when you live in an apartment, you cannot control how other people live next to you. So we have him come, and I tidied up the house before he got here so he didn't think we were like complete slobs. So I tidied up, he got here, he sprayed, and then I'm gonna film now. I'm gonna do some videos, and then I'm gonna do a little clean with me. I had a couple of people ask me, can you please do another clean with me? I love your clean with me. So that's what we're gonna do after I film. That's what we're doing today, okay? And thank you guys for, I mean, I've been talking for 10 minutes. Oh my God. I have a lot to cut out, but whatever. I'm gonna finish my little cup of coffee. I'm gonna do my little setup, finish my cup of coffee, and let's go. I don't have all day, okay? Look how cute my little water bottle is. Mando and Grogu, so cute. I forgot I have a little voiceover that I have to do, so I'm gonna do that real quick, okay? Real quick. An eyeshadow tutorial using the one and only Wet n Wild Always Blushin' eyeshadow palette. This is one of my favorite palettes ever. I'm back today doing an eyeshadow tutorial using the one and only. I'm really trying to like sit up straight, but I just don't want my boobs all up in your face, you know? So I just finished filming my makeup tutorial. I tried to do the latte makeup trend thing, but I wanted to use the Cosmic Crush palette by Too Faced. So I don't think this is like totally latte, but it's a bronze little eye, okay? But look how pretty this palette is. I think it's really pretty. You got some warm tones, you got some cool tones, and then really cool purpley greens. They actually sent this to me. Thank you, Too Faced, very much. And they also sent me their highlighters. This is the lighter one. Really pretty. I have it on. They sent me their milk chocolate bronzer, which I love. I wish it was a little darker though, but this prevents me from going too crazy on my bronzer, so maybe that's a good thing. And then also the plumping lip injection Maximum Plump in Cosmic Crush. It has really pretty like glitter flakes. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's really freaking pretty. So I did pretty much all of that on my face today. But now I'm gonna film my Amazon favorites. I've never done this before on my YouTube channel. It's already 3:50, but I have to hurry up and film. But in between videos, I ran downstairs. I saw that my 2 Amazon packages got delivered. So I want to show you what I got really quick, because I might mention one thing. Oh, I'm super excited for this, okay? Sorry, I already took this out of the box. I think this is a ring. I hope so. I have become a ring girly, like, never in a million years would I think I would like rings. I love bracelets, I love earrings, but I've never been a big ring person ever. I do have really fat, like, look at these hands, guys. Look how big my knuckles are. I don't like my hands, but now that I get my nails done, I'm like, you know, I'm getting used to it. And ever since I got engaged, I love my ring. I've just become a ring girly. Like, what? I have this one on. It's like a little, I don't want to flick you off. It's like a little gold beaded thing that Ricardo's cousin made for me. It's super cute. She has the cutest stuff. So I got this ring on Amazon. If you guys know of good little rings on Amazon, let me know. Oh my god, this doesn't fit me. It's a little tight. It only fits on my ring finger. I really wanted to wear this on my middle finger. Ugh. But you know, it is what it is. Like, does this look cute? I don't think so. I'm gonna wear it like this, okay, and hope for the best. So yeah, I'm gonna get started on my Amazon favorites video, and I'm excited because I have found some really good things on Amazon recently. I'm done filming for the day. I'm gonna start cleaning. It was like such a beautiful day outside today, and now it looks like it's gonna rain. I'm gonna turn you around. Hold on. Can you guys see? Oh man, it doesn't. Oh, there we go. It's dark. It's dark, so it's gonna be raining soon. It's gonna start raining. Oh my goodness.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me.
I'm not done cleaning, but I took a little break because I want to do a little giveaway. I've been meaning to do this for so long. I just always forget to mention it in a video. And I've been wanting to do it in a vlog because I feel like my true followers, my true supporters, my true like friends, the people that comment on my videos all the time, like you guys watch my vlogs. So I want this giveaway to be for you. So all you have to do, well, let me show you what it is. It is a basket full of random stuff, random makeup stuff. There's a Renaissance palette. Oh, look at my baby. There's a Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette in here. Pixie palettes, face masks. What else do I have in here? A little Kiss product. Some Wet n Wild stuff. There's a ton, and this isn't it only. So I'm working on putting more stuff in here for you guys. This little palette, and I want one person to win this basket full of goodies. So if you're interested, and I'm gonna like probably like update you guys on what else I put in this basket on my Instagram. So you do have to follow me on Instagram if you want to know what's going on. But I will announce the giveaway winner in like a makeup tutorial or like an eyeshadow tutorial, and just say, hey, that giveaway that I mentioned in my vlog, the winner is blah blah blah. So all you have to do is comment on this video and like this video. That would mean the world to me, and you can possibly win all of these goodies in here. There's a ton of stuff, and like I said, there's more to come. So again, all you have to do is comment down below and like this video. I would really be happy if you guys did that, and I'll just keep it open for 2 weeks or so, or maybe more. I'll leave all the details in the description box. I don't want to keep it open too long, but I don't want it to be too short, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's just a little surprise giveaway that I wanted to add in this video. Graham, come here. You're so cute. You're so cute. Look at him. Ugh, what a jerk. Why do you gotta be like that? Forgot to mention, I also have this Half Cake Cosmetics stuff that I am going to be putting in the giveaway too. So that's also going to be in there.
Shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near, in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares through. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh.
I know I didn't do a ton of cleaning in this video, but I do feel better that the floors are clean. The floors were like so gross. I feel better that the floors are clean, the kitchen is all wiped down, the counters are all wiped down, the cabinets are wiped down. Those are important. Don't forget to wipe down your cabinets, okay? So I think that's pretty much it. That is it, actually. Not pretty much. I think I'm gonna make these little chicken tenderloins, maybe do like a breaded chicken tenderloin for dinner, maybe. It still hasn't rained, but it does look like it's gonna rain. Also want to say, don't let anybody be nasty to you. Like, I'm gonna start really standing up for myself, and like sometimes I'm like nervous. I'm like, no, I don't want them, you know, to hate me after. Like, no, don't talk to me rudely, especially if I show you respect. You have to show me that same respect. Don't talk to me rudely, don't raise your voice. Enough. Like, I have enough respect for myself to stand up for myself. So that's all that I want to say. And I'm starting to sweat. Is the AC on? Because I turned it off. I gotta check. Because I'm sweating. I really like this eyeshadow, guys. Really makes my ass pop. Yes or no? Anyway, that's all that I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this little vlog. Don't forget to join the giveaway. It's a really good giveaway. It's a really good giveaway. Come on, Grim. Come say bye. Come here, my little baby. Bye from us. Oh God, are you gonna throw up? Whoopsie. I was like holding his neck. Sorry. All right. Look at my baby. Isn't he so handsome? I love him. Right, puppy? Right, my baby? I love you. I love you, Cookie. I love you. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.